Good afternoon, and today I'd like to talk to you about the scoring module, and more specifically, setting formats in the scoring module. If we look at the top, you will see one gross, and that usually means one gross or one net. Looking at the scoring module itself, you'll notice that the par, handicap, and the hole numbers are listed here at the top. Anytime you want to change the view with different information, click on View, and you can select different items to be shown. Chris has a gross score of 85 with a net handicapping of 12 and a net score of 73. If we look at the team section, you'll notice the team par for this event is 71. This team shot a 69 score for a gross and a 54 score for net. Individual scores can be listed for the entire team here at the bottom, starting with the gross score, the net scores, and if you want to see any Stableford points individually, you can do that for hole by hole. We want to change the format, so we're going to select formats, and we can choose different formats such as best ball, individual, Jack and Jill, aggregate, Pinehurst, scramble, and Callaway. To change the best ball format, we're going to go to Format Options, and we can choose different items to change here, such as the Stableford values and quota point setup. To change the best ball format, we go into our screen, and we can make changes, whether it's going to be one gross or one net, two gross or two net, three gross or three net, etc. If we want to customize this format for whatever reason, we can do that. For example, right now this says all one gross in our scoring format. We're going to do a 3 net on the par 3s, a 2 net on the par 4s, and a 1 net on the par 5s. By selecting Apply, you can see the format now changes to those pars based on the scores and the tees being used in the format. If we're going to do a format such as Cha-Cha-Cha, we can actually change this information, say 1 net, 2 net, and 3 net. And if we'd like to repeat this all the way down, we select Repeat holes 1 through 3, and you can see that pattern's been added to every hole. If we want to skip a hole and not actually score, let's say 9, we're not going to actually score. We're going to change that to no score. And on hole 18, for the fun of it, we're going to change that to 4 net. By clicking on OK, you'll see the scoring format now changes into our new format. Because we chose no score on hole number 9, no score will actually be used. We're selecting all 4 balls on number 18, and so our new par for this particular event, based on the Cha-Cha-Cha with our 2 different changes, is 132. The team shot a score of 145 with a net score of 118. Notice we made all these changes in the scoring module with scores that already existed. The tournament was recalculated with our new format and gave us new pars. So, if we needed to, we go back to the selecting format, and we're just going to change this to a simple 2 gross, 2 net, and click on OK. Once again, the score is recalculated, and our new format is now 142. They shot 146 with a score of 117. This is a great way to score an event using the scoring module with almost any type of format possible, getting quick results, making changes to those results, and getting different results for each format quickly without losing scores. Thank you, and have a great day.